Okay, here we go. Hey everyone, it's Sin with Sin's Blue Diamond, and here's Bebe. Say hi, Bebe. Say hi.
Hi.
If you remember right, he's my nephew that's got Down syndrome, and today Bebe is going to open up the world's smallest classic mini collectible toys. He's got 6 he's going to open and show us. So Bebe, go ahead. Open the first one for us. Go ahead, open it.
Oh, there's tape.
Yeah, you can't. No, I took the tape off.
I'm going to take my tape off.
There you go. See, you can do it. Yeah.
Where's the tape?
Shh. I might have to hold it up. There you go. Got it. Okay. It comes with instructions. Okay, hold the package. Now let me cut. Okay, now tear it. Let's see what we have. No, it's good. Now take it out. Yeah, you can. Look. See, take it out. What do we got, baby? Let's see. Come on, you can do it. Oh, we got Mr. Stretch. Let him see. Hey, I need you to show the camera. Mr. Stretch. Now stretch him. Pull his arms. No, he's not. No, he's not a wrestler, baby.
Stretching.
Look at that.
Woo. Stretch his leg. Woo. Whoa.
Okay.
Oh.
All right. Let's do another one.
Another one?
Yeah, do another one.
Yeah.
Let's move these. Move the trash. I'm going to put him back in there. He's cool.
Oh.
Open. It's okay. Look.
I want it.
Can we get the key, please?
No.
Over there. Papi, zipper.
You quit. What do we got, baby? Oh, need scissors?
Yeah.
Okay. Pull it out. What do we got there, baby?
Split it.
See, that's our box. What you got? Let's see. Is that a troll? Let's see. Baby, show the camera. Show it here. Show it here. Oh, ain't him cute? Now put it back.
It's fine.
Here's the troll. That got one in it? Yeah. Okay, these two don't. What we got, baby? Oh, scissors. It's sideways, Rhonda. Right there, where your thumb's at. Watch out. No, we're not going to play with Stretch. We got to do this one. Look. With my ponies. My little ponies. You get 2 of them in there.
That's Gumby.
Oh, Gumby! And he's pony. Here we go. So y'all can see them. Those are cool. Okay. Your finger. There we go. Pull it. What do we got? Come on, baby. Show us what you got. Oh, another troll. Look, he's cute. Here, show the camera. Yeah. Yeah, he's cool. Of course, I don't know who's who. Oh, they got little hearts or something on them.
Oh,
I
you
died.
did.
That's okay. Come on. Here. Let's fingers.
Where's the man?
You got it. Come on, big boy. Come on, baby. Oh.
Wow.
Let's see. Let's see it. Let me see.
Wow.
Oh, we got a Hot Wheels. An old-timey one. Cool. And they do come out of the packaging back here, y'all. Oop, that's okay. Just leave it there for right now. Put your fingers. Feels like this. Okay, just pull. Good job, baby. Oh, I got another Gumby. Is
I'm a reader.
that what it is? Is Gumby? You can see it.
I'm a reader.
Sorry about that, y'all. Yep. Another Gumby and the horse. Here's his little pal, and there he is. I got two of those. That's it, baby. Tell him bye.
Oh, Dada.
Y'all will see you later. Tell them bye-bye. Y'all have a good one.